Rabbit farming business at home. Rabbit is a small animal. It is very beautiful. Rabbit meat is similar to that and goose meat. Rabbit is very easy to cure. Rabbits need little care in comparison to chickens. It is said about the rabbit that how many rabbits does the kidnapper in 1 year? A buffalo can be compressed. If you have 3 rabbits, it is enough to give a meat for 1 year to make a small fall. Rabbits can be withdrawn in cages, such as iron cables or wooden elements. They can make a cage back in less cost. In 1 month, the rabbit gives 8 to 12 children a day and gives 8 to 10 children a year. Children of rabbits are about 2 to 3 kilograms in 8/10 weeks. Children of rabbits can be used to provide comfort and heat to soft children or soft cloth or grass. Rabbit supplements have green grass and some farmers of grain may be included. Apart from this, you can also feed the domestic vegetables and can also turn the black carrot, radish or other calories. To remember the rabbit and to keep the animals in mind, one thing will keep them in mind: arrange their dosages properly and keep them in their presence, and avoid any diseases. By following these methods, you can earn a lot of money by keeping the rabbit in the house. Because of this, you can also make meat in your house for home, and besides that, you can earn money by selling it in the market. If you like this topic, please justify this video and share it, comment, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then subscribe to it. Thank you.